Welcome back. Again, I'm Karen, and in the last video, we solved a simple conversion problem. And now we're going to be looking at another of Math League 12024 word problems. In an auditorium, there are 20 rows numbered from 1 to 20. The even numbered rows all have the same number of seats as the odd number row that is immediately in front of them, while the odd numbered rows, other than row number 1, have one more seat than the even-numbered row that is immediately in front of them. Row 1, located at the front of this auditorium, has 15 seats. How many seats are in the auditorium? As always, pause the video and then come back when you're done. What answer did you get? I'll be curious to know at the end of this video. So here, it already told us all the connections and relationships between the even-numbered rows and the odd-numbered rows, and it gave us a head start, which is at this row 1 is 15 seats. And there are 20 rows numbered from 1 to 20. So the even-numbered rows all have the same number of seats as the odd-numbered row that is in front of them. That's immediately in front of them. And the odd-numbered rows, other than row 1, have one more seat that's the even-numbered row that is immediately in front of them. Okay, so from that, we are starting to kind of visualize a picture right there. And I'm going to be talking as I write out these values. So we first know that the question is how many seats are in the auditorium. To do that, we first have to figure out, of course, how much seats are in every single row. And here is how we're going to find out those values. We're going to start from row 1, we're going to add on, using all of these factors that were given to us in the problem. Row 1, we have 15 seats. And that is an odd number row. So then after, there must be the even numbered row, the first one, which is row 2. It says that the even numbered rows all have the same number of seats as the odd number row that's immediately in front of them. That makes row 2 is going to have 15 seats. Let's keep going. Odd numbered rows other than row 1 have one more seat than the even number row that is immediately in front of them. So that means row 3 will have one more seat than 15 seats, which would be 16 seats. This cycle is going to continue going on and on and on until we reach the last row, which is row 20. So there's 19, 20, 21s, 22s, 23s, and the last pair, 24, 24. So those are all the values we have. Now, our only step is to add these together and we'll solve the problem. If we want to add these together, it's really 2 times 15 plus 16 plus 18 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20 plus 21, 22, 23, and our final one, 24. Now we're going to simplify. Again, we see that this is equal to 2 times the sum of 39, because we can see that these can pair up. So that's 39 times 5. Simplify. That's going to give us 390. So that's 390 seats in all. Answer is there are 390 seats in the auditorium. So that's the answer. As a conclusion of the solution of this problem was that we used the factors that we knew from the problem that was given to us, and then we had to find that breakthrough point, which is the starting point of our calculations, which was this very first row, 15 seats. Then using these factors that we had, we calculate the values of one row in the next row till we got to row number 20. So yeah, that's the answer. And I'll see you for our next video. So be on the lookout and see you next time.